Hello everyone, I am Mushtaq Hussain. In this video, I am going to show you site administration features for plugins. So here you can see these features under site administration. So we are going to explore the features of plugins. So here I click on to plugins. Now plugins are completely blank because managers cannot add or manage plugins. This can be done by only administrator. So what are plugins? Plugins enable us to add additional features and functionality to Moodle, such as new activities, new quiz question types, new reports, integration with other systems, and many more. Now let's explore one by one. So let's see what do we have in question preview defaults. So you will find all the defaults over here. So for example, how questions behave, deferred feedback. Apart from this, we have got these options: immediate feedbacks, deferred feedback with CBM. By default it is deferred feedback. Then whether correct or not correct, so yes, it is shown. By default it is shown. Then marks, okay, show marks and maximum, so again it is default. Then decimal places in grades, yes, of course it would be 2. Then specific feedback, yes, it is shown. General feedback shown, right answer shown, and response history shown. So all these are default options available here. Now again go back to plugins, then check what do we have in Cloud Poodle recording. Now as we are aware, in Poodle we can record audio as well as video. Now what is the default setting in Poodle API user? So this is name of the Dr. Nelly. Then Poodle API secret, so this is the code. Again this is default. Then AWS region US East. Then days to keep file, okay, 365. Then speaker language English US. Then audio recorder skin 1 2 3, so it will count and then you can start the recording. Apart from that, we have burned rows, then plain, then once, upload, push, fresh audio only. So I mean all these options are available. Then audio video recorder skin, again same option, that is 1 2 3. Then transcriber, okay, by default it is standard transcription. Then transcode, yes. Then transcode audio to MP3 and video to MP4, so it will happen automatically, right? If it is audio, then it will convert it to MP3, and if it is a video file, then it will convert to MP4. Then non-HTML fallback, so it is by default it is iOS upload else warning. Then again let's go back and see in plugins. Then multiple choice questions. So what are the options available in multiple choice questions? So one or multiple answers, one answer only. Again, if you want to, okay, for example, if you can allow multiple answers, then you can click on to multiple answers allowed, but by default it is one answer only. Then shuffle the choices, yes. Then number of choices, I mean you can select ABC or 1 2 3, then Roman 1 2 3. So this is how you can select. Then again you can save changes. Let's go back to site administration again and check the plugin. Then final option is Poodle recording. Now in Poodle recording, so recorders to enable audio response, video response, and whiteboard response. So this is the these are the default settings for recordings to enable option. So yes, so this is what we have in plugins, that is part of site administration. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.